Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video I am doing a baby girl haul for wintertime clothes straight from Burlington Coat Factory. So if this is something that y'all are interested in, just hang on tight. Alright y'all, it is cold AF in Texas. Today is October 26th and it is literally 40 degrees outside. Before it got too cold, Easton and I went to Burlington to just stock up on her some fall time clothes. She's about to start daycare soon. Excuse her y'all, her hair isn't combed. I've been working from home today and it's freezing and we aren't going anywhere, so just excuse her hair. Mom life. Okay, but anyways, I have she just needed some more clothes. Like all of the clothes that she has, she can no longer fit. Sis is in the 12th month, she's only 10 months, so I just wanted to just stock up on some stuff for her. So I'm about to show y'all a few outfits that I got for her. Actually, just like a whole little wardrobe that I got for her. And if y'all hear like toys in the background or her, just disregard it. Like she's in the room with me having fun. I'm in Easton's room, y'all, and there's a whole party in here actually. But the first outfit is this cute little baddie outfit. This cute little baddie outfit. It costs $15.99. It comes with a cute little faux leather jacket, a cute little shirt that has like a little tutu attached to it with some heart jeans. It's really cute. So I'm thinking about doing this with either some black boots maybe. Y'all let me know in the comments. This is outfit 1. What kind of shoes would I do with this? But it's so cute. And I feel like this would be too cute on Easton. So the second outfit is a little Puma jumpsuit. So all of the outfits are 12 months. But this one is 18 months. I feel like she could probably fit this now and be extremely comfortable. So it's like a little jacket with like a little hoodie, a little Puma outfit, and some Puma leggings. So cute. The price for this one is $16.99. Next we have this Calvin Klein little 2-piece set with some cute little flower pants. And I think that I would do like brown boots with this one. Or like some type of brown shoes. And she also has some stride white walking shoes. That's what I'll probably do with these. Because it has like a cream color on it. On the flowers. The detail of the flowers is cream color. This one does not have a price tag. So y'all, I'm not sure how much I paid for this one. It's so cute. This is a Carter's little 3-piece, and if you notice, like I got a bunch of like sets because I can like mix and match. Like that jacket, that little faux leather jacket, like she can easily do those with some black leggings, like some blue jeans. Like I can switch up all of the outfits. And this is a 12-month also, and it's a 3-piece, and it comes with these cute little heart pants with the cute little top to match. Actually, it's a 4-piece. I'm just now noticing, y'all, this is a 4-piece outfit. So it comes with this top with these pants, this top with these pants. And the price for this one is $12.99. compared to $36 that Carter's was trying to charge a girl for it. So the fifth outfit is this cute little, this is like a really cute shirt with some green leggings. and it's also a 12-month, and the price is $9.99. And I'll probably do these with like some brown boots. What do y'all think? So yeah, I might do this with brown boots for her, or just her walking shoes. I'm not sure yet. So cute. And again, only $9.99 compared to the $26 Carter's was trying to charge your girl. Alright, so this little jacket Easton's grandmother actually bought for her. Damien's, her great grandmother, bought her this little peacoat. It's so cute. It's J. Simpson. Let me see. This one is actually 18 months. I'm pretty sure by the time she's 12 months, she'll be able to fit this. And this is the price, $16.99. So cute.
Why did you just push that cart like this?
Originally, y'all, this jacket is 90 bucks. And we got it for $16.99. Cannot beat that. Okay, the sixth outfit is this DKNY cute little set. This is like a little rain jacket, so it's giving me like a raincoat vibe. It's also a 12-month with a little long sleeve shirt, some little black leggings, and it has the DKNY brand on the bottom of them. So I want to find her some black rain boots or something to go with this. So the last little outfit I got for her is this little honey sweater. Comes with a bow as well as some black leggings, and oh my god, this is like so cute for like just like an everyday vibe, like weekend, like if we go somewhere just outside, maybe like a pumpkin patch or somewhere, because it is the end of October, but I do want to go to the pumpkin patch at least twice. We're probably going to go one day this week, and then we're probably going to dress up as a family and dress up like really nice. So I have an outfit for that, but it just depends on the weather. But just like to hang out, like one day if we decide to go to the park or just shopping or somewhere, this outfit would be perfect for that. This one was $10.99, and the original price was $32. So it's definitely a steal. I got Easton some socks. They are 6 to 12 months. Just like some socks to wear. Just everyday socks, nothing fancy. And the price for these were $3.99. And I got her some all white socks, some little ankle socks, 12 to 24 months, and the price is $3.99. The last thing that I got little Miss Easton were these beautiful, oh my god, these are so cute, some little BB boots. So freaking cute. Look at the bottom of them. Like, oh my god, like I'm so ready to dress her up in these boots. Like, they are too cute. They had some light ones like this as well, but I feel like she'll probably mess them up, so I just got the dark ones. They were only $6.99, so I may go and get her some more. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure that I will. I'm that type of person, like for myself, like if it's a shirt that I like and they have it in multiple colors, then I'll probably get it in at least 2 colors. Don't judge me, but yeah. So yes, y'all, that is all I got for little Miss Easton. If y'all have a Burlington in you all's area, then I would definitely, like 10 out of 10, recommend that place. They literally have everything. I also got Easton a toy and a book, but she's already started playing with the toys. If you all, like I said, if y'all have a Burlington in y'all's area, I highly recommend y'all going. And this video is not sponsored. Burlington, if you do want to sponsor your girl, just hit me up. This video is not sponsored. I paid for all of this with my own hard-earned money, but I just wanted to show you the great things that they do have. So I guess that is the end of this video, y'all. Just real short. Just wanted to check in with y'all, just say hey, and just show y'all what I got for little Miss Easton. If y'all have any questions about any of the items that I got, and if y'all would like to see more baby girl hauls, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video. Thank y'all so much. Have a great night. Bye.